Welcome, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to skip the night in Dying Light the Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching! So as you can know, in the Dying Light the nights are very dangerous and it is good at the first time you'll play this game to skip nights and play only during a day, in-game day of course. To do it, to skip the night, you have to find the safe zone, such as a monastery, and I don't know, camping tower, or any other safe zone that you clean up, and then you find a bed in your safe zone. Then you have to just go into the bed and click R, wait until the next morning. Then your character will just go to sleep, then wakes up, and boom, it's a morning and you can go to explore the world in Dying Light the Beast during a day, which is more safety than during a night. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!